Authentise has introduced a new product, the Digital Design Warehouse, a central repository for all of your additive projects. We've designed this from the ground up as an entire system, making it very easy to white label. You can make it appear in your colors and your style so your internal stakeholders and external customers can feel like they're part of the community. The Digital Design Warehouse allows you to upload any design type and parameters into your library without the need of 3D CAD software, to then share them with the wider organization or your suppliers or partners on a fully permission basis. You have full version control on all designs and associated files, being able to change the model details, add documents, or collaborate with other users by tagging them and assigning tasks in the comments section. The assigned actions will then appear on your homepage. The Order Now button allows you to create an order directly from the library as it integrates with the other existing tools. You can also manage permissions and access levels to your digital spare parts catalog by navigating to User Administration and assigning a role to each user. Our best-in-class security allows you to share designs securely, whether they're ITAR defense or not. If necessary, the system is easy to deploy privately or on-premise, as all of our systems are. Last but not least, you can develop your project with our world-class third integrations to help you convert 2D files to 3D, assess your additive viability, and more. Stay tuned to learn more about Authentise's platform and its features in the upcoming videos.